Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see the poem, Pratmik poem, Chota Sa Deep Jala Do. Keep a small lamp, light a small lamp. That is the poem, third poem, Pratmik. Now we will go to the poem. नन्हा बीज एक बो दो तुम वही पेड़ बन जाएगा. Sow a small seed, it becomes a tree. छोटा सा तुम दीप जला दो अंधेरा मिट जाएगा. छोटा सा तुम दीप जला दो अंधेरा मिट जाएगा. Keep a light a small lamp. The darkness will go away. Totally the darkness gets vanished. मीठे बोल अगर बोलो तुम अपनापन बढ़ जाएगा. Always speak good things, sweet words you use for speaking. Your familiarity will increase. Everybody will appreciate you and your familiarity with your friends, with your relatives, it increases. बिना रुके चलते जाओ तो तुम्हें लक्ष्य मिल जाएगा. बिना रुके चलते जाओ तो तुम्हें लक्ष्य मिल जाएगा. Keep on going and you will reach your aim. अगर ईंट पर ईंट धरो तो महल खड़ा हो जाएगा. Keep on putting one brick over the other brick. That means you keep on building up. You will get the palace in a good manner and you will find a big palace in front of you. अगर ईंट पर ईंट धरो तो महल खड़ा हो जाएगा. So keep brick one over the other. You will get a palace in front of you. अच्छे काम करो तो देश बड़ा हो जाएगा. Keep on doing good things. The country will grow. The country will become a big country. Rapid growth will be there and you will have a big country in front of you. So this is the poem. नन्हा बीज एक बो दो तुम वही पेड़ बन जाएगा. छोटा सा तुम दीप जला दो अंधेरा मिट जाएगा. मीठे बोल अगर बोलो तुम अपनापन बढ़ जाएगा. बिना रुके चलते जाओ तो तुम्हें लक्ष्य मिल जाएगा. अगर ईंट पर ईंट धरो तो महल खड़ा हो जाएगा. अच्छे काम करो तो देश बड़ा हो जाएगा. This is the poem. Now we will go to the Shabdartha meanings. Nanna small, beej seed. Beej means seed. Andhera darkness. Andhera means darkness. Lakshya aim. Lakshya means aim. Eent means brick. Eent means brick. Dharna to put. Now we will see the abhyas. अपनी प्रांतीय भाषा में भावार्थ लिखिए. बिना रुके से बड़ा हो जाएगा. So context will be these lines are taken from the poem Chota Sa Deep Jala Do. Meaning, in these lines the poet is telling that if we go ahead continuously, non-stop, we shall reach our destination. We have to be patient to achieve great things. If we want to build a palace. We have to keep the bricks one by one patiently. If we do all good things, our country will become great. So this is the meaning of बिना रुके से लेकर बड़ा हो जाएगा. So this is abhyas. So this is the poem we saw. Can practice this poem. Hope you have understood. Thank you.